All right, guys, we've got the AEOOZGR dog clippers for grooming. This allows you to groom your dog at home. It's got nail trimmers. It's got all these different attachments. What we're gonna do, so it's got a narrow size trimmer, so you can like trim a slimmer area. It's got a nail grinder, so you can like Dremel the nails down, and it's got a detail trimmer, which is a really small trimmer. So what we're gonna do is unbox it, and then we're gonna actually try a little bit on the puppy. So, all right, this is very quality looking. I've tested out a lot of dog grooming tools. I can tell you, this looks high quality to me. It feels high quality. Okay, this feels very high quality. Here's the groomer itself. That's the unit. Just take that off. Let's turn it on real quick. It sounds pretty good. It sounds fast and quality. Now, it's got a stopper on there right now. Let's just go ahead. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so first of all, we're going to attach, you've got the regular trimmer there on top. What we can do is we can easily cycle between different blades. So we have right now the narrow size trimmer on there. We can easily pull that off. So these are very easy to switch up, which I like. I think that's super important, especially if you're going to be doing this at home instead of going to an actual professional dog groomer. You need to be able to do this stuff pretty easily. This is the detail trimmer right here. And then what we're going to try on the puppy is we've got the nail trimmer. And that's the one thing, man, that's the one thing that guy has trouble with. Like, he needs to get his nails trimmed a lot. Sorry, here. I'm trying to get that out of there. All right, there we go. Okay. Let's get that in here. Okay. We've got the nail trimmer on. Now we're going to try this on. And basically all it does is you can even feel it on mine. It just kind of scrapes the nail down. It's pretty easy to use. And it's sensitive on them. That's why we like to use those. It's not as like, you're not risking like hurting their nails or cutting to the quick and like actually having a bleed. Now, when you want to charge this thing up, all you do is just plug it in here, plug this into a USB charger or like your computer or something like that, and it'll charge right up. We have enough of a charge to try it out. And so far, I'm telling you, I like this. I think it's super easy to use to switch up all the heads. And that's my take so far. Let's bring the puppy in and trim his nails. All right, guys, we've got my little bub, Mr. Paterson, right here. This sweet guy's just going to chill out for us for a second. I'm going to give him a treat just so he knows he's being a good boy. And we're just going to, you can hear it. It's very silent. That's the thing I like about this. It's very silent, and he's not even affected by it at all. We're trimming his nails. Okay, I'm seeing, guys, a lot of times dogs, so this is super easy for him. Here you go. You being a good boy? You being a good boy? Here. Yes. So here's my thoughts on this, guys. A lot of times dogs' nails need to be trimmed and clipped, even if you do take him to the groomer. I think this thing is worth it just because of the nail Dremel part. It's an easy way for you to connect with your dog a little bit more, and it's super silent, so they don't even feel anything's going on. If you give them treats while you're doing it, it's going to be easy. I think this is a great at-home grooming kit. It's silent. It's not silent, but it's very quiet. It's easy to use. He's unaffected by it. He's just curious. Groom at home. This is the kit. Get it. Be happy with your pup. Have a nice day.